Hello everyone, it's Lou, and for today's video, we're gonna make another Girl Talk episode. So if you don't know and if you're new here, my Girl Talk series is where palagi nalalaglag yung straps ko. My Girl Talk series talks about my personal problems, struggles, learnings, and things. This is like the serious side of me. Hindi ito yung Lou na palagi nagjo-jokes and everything. Siguro magjo-joke pa rin ako pero normal na sa akin yun. Pero this is the personal and the serious side of me. So, welcome if you're new here. I hope you'll enjoy this and harap ka pa sa channel ko ng mga Girl Talk episodes natin. So, as we talk about our topic for today, I'm gonna do my skincare using the Kojiesan newly launched face care line. Meron ako nung buong skincare line nila dito and they recently launched this but ang tagal ko na itong tinatry out na yung ibang items dito, paubos na. Paubos na. Kojiesan is also the reason why we're making this video kasi sobrang na-inspire ako sa campaign nila na Take Control. So, Take Control is our topic for today. It's very personal for me because Take Control talks about how you take control of your own path to the success that you've been striving for, how you take control of your emotions, how you take control of how you see yourself, taking control of your own beauty, and everything. Basta, in general, taking control of yourself. So, sa Kojiesan face care line, we have 4 different cleansers right here that you can choose from. So, first, we have the Kojiesan Skin Lightening Facial Wash. And this looks like your typical cleanser. Para siyang cream consistency. Yung usual cleanser na ginagamit natin. We also have the Kojiesan Face Cleansing Gel. This is what I've been using and I super love this. This is a transparent gel that is very delicate and very moisturizing sa face. I super love this one. We also have the Kojiesan Skin Lightening Foam Wash right here. So this is a foam consistency as you can see. So all of these facial washes are all the same. It's just that magkakaiba sila ng texture. It depends on you kung ano yung gusto nyong feel, kung anong gusto nyong consistency ng cleanser nyo. And this is the 4th cleanser. This is the Kojiesan Skin Lightening Beauty Wipes that I have been using ever since October or November last year nung nilaunch nila to. And they have a mini travel version right here. Yan. Ito ginagamit ko to patanggal ang makeup ko or kapag ayaw ko mag-skincare before ako matulog. Pag sobrang tinatamad na ako maghilamos and all. Ayun yung ginagamit ko. So, nagamit ko na tong cleansing gel before tayo mag-film. So, doon na tayo sa toners. They have 2 different toners right here. We have the Skin Lightening Cleanser Plus Toner. And we have the Skin Lightening Pore Minimizing Toner. So, these toners are the same. Na-try ko na silang dalawa. So, if you want a glassy skin look, go for the Cleanser Plus Toner. And if you want a smooth, matte finish, go for the Pore Minimizing Toner. So, my skin right now is officially oily skin kasi officially summer na naman. And kapag hindi kasi summer, parang normal to oily skin ako. So, I use the Cleanser Plus Toner. But now, officially nga na oily skin ako, I use the Pore Minimizing Toner. And if you guys know me, I don't use cotton na for my toners. I just pat this on my face using my hands. So, just pat the toner on your face. And this will also help to minimize your pores. So, while we're waiting for this to dry, we're gonna go doon sa ating questions. And I want this to be an open discussion for us. I'm gonna ask these questions for myself, but I want you guys to ask this question sa sarili nyo rin, okay? I-alter nyo na lang sa kung anong ginagawa nyo. I want you guys to be a part of this also para hindi lang kayo magsi-self-reflect, no? So, question number 1. What got you into the world of vlogging? So, that's my question for myself. So, kung ano mang hobby mo or kung ano mang work mo, ask mo sa sarili mo yun. I started vlogging because gusto ko mag-share ng knowledge, gusto ko mag-share ng ideas, just like what I'm doing right now. Gusto ko maka-influence ng ibang tao in a good way. I want to use my platform to inform people, to inspire other people. Ayun talaga yung gusto ko. Dati, nung nag-start ako, gusto ko lang talaga gumawa ng video kasi parang feeling ko sayang naman yung mga makeup na pinagbibili ko dito dahil kay Mama Ann at saka kay Anna Kai, tsaka kay Michelle D, tsaka kay Michelle Fan. Kung ano-anong makeup yung pinagbibili ko. Tapos hindi ko naman sila nabibidyohan. Parang sayang. So ayun lang talaga yung literal na dahilan. Pero in my inner self, alam ko na I want to inspire and influence to share my knowledge to other people. Question number 2. Was there a time when you didn't enjoy vlogging anymore? So, ang question para sa'yo, was there a time na gusto mo nang itigil yung gusto mong gawin? So, yes, of course! Of course! Sobrang daming nangyayari. And I know you guys know this na. Syempre with vlogging, ayan, public figure na ako, diba? Nasishare ko sa inyo, sa public, yung mga alam ko at gusto ko, and you guys will know me in return. I will share bits of my life with you guys, and you will know me through the videos that I upload. With the videos that I upload, syempre may mga comments doon. And I'm very grateful sa inyong lahat who still appreciate me up to this date. I super love you guys, and I'm very happy that most of you nakakausap ko na personally, nakasama na sa mga virtual party ko and everything. Most of you, kilala ko na talaga. Alam ko yung names nyo, alam ko yung usernames nyo dito sa YouTube kapag nagko-comments kayo and everything. Pero syempre, meron din mga criticisms and mga hate comments, you know. So, growing up kasi, hindi ako sanay na nakaka-receive ako ng negative comment. Because, you know, I'm the pretty girl. I'm always the pretty girl. Kapag pupunta ako somewhere, ako yung maganda. Lagi akong muse dati sa basketball, sa classroom. Kapag may mga family reunion kami, ako yung, ang ganda-ganda na nitong batang to. You know, sanay ako sa compliments. And, syempre, naging confident ako through those compliments. Pero nung nag-start ako mag-vlog, doon na ako sinampal ng reality na hindi ako perfect. Yes, and I know, hindi naman ako perfect and I'm not trying to be perfect. And then nga, because of those comments, bumaba yung self-confidence ko. Nawala ko yung sarili ko! Char. Parang I want my viewers to feel beautiful and feel confident about themselves. But ako, sa sarili ko, hindi ko nagagawa yun. Parang I'm losing myself in the process of making you guys feel beautiful about yourselves. Gets? Dumating yung time na sobrang lungkot ko and parang, yun nga, hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko. Sad. I always wanted to be another person kasi kino-compare ako sa ibang tao. You know, buti pa si ganito, ganyan. Buti pa si ganito, ganyan. Bakit ikaw, ganyan? So, nako-compare ako and sa isip ko, I want to become that person. Kaya, ayun, dumating yung point nga na hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko. And I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Parang labas na lang ako ng labas ng video sa inyo guys. And you know, just the beauty standards. And kailangan mo maging perfect kapag public figure ka and all. Ayun, dumating yung time na gusto kong mag-stop dahil doon. Yeah. Yun. Next. So, to yun na yung toner, I'm gonna apply my face cream with SPF 15. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, paubos na. As in, hanggang dito na lang siya, sis. Ayan, ganyan na lang siya. And I'm gonna apply this on my... Wait lang. Ayaw lumabas. Yun. So, question number 3. What made you decide to continue and what inspires you to keep being a content creator? Okay. So, I keep doing this because I'm happy of what I do. Gusto ko to nagbe-video ako sa inyo guys. And now kasi, I found myself na ulit. Like, this is me na ulit. Kasi now, kilala ko na ulit yung sarili ko. And I know na ito yung gusto kong gawin. And if ever may time sa buhay nyo or sa career nyo na gusto nyo tumigil and you're looking for answers, just ask yourself why you started it in the first place. So, ayun nga, gusto ko nga mag-video, gusto ko masaya nga ako sa ginagawa ko ganito, and I want to keep inspiring you guys. I want to keep sharing my ideas with you. Ayun. And you inspire me. Of all people, you guys inspire me to keep doing better. I love your recommendations. I love your notes or comments on things that I can improve on dito sa pagvi-video ko. And I really appreciate that. And in return, I wanted to remind you guys to take control of your own life, of what you want. Do what you want, do what makes you happy. Kahit may sinasabi yung ibang tao sa'yo, you're still in control of yourself. Just because sinabi nila na mali ito about sa'yo. For example, sabihin nila tumataba ako. Yes, for them, it's a flaw. for them, mataba ako and it's a bad thing. But for me, I am the one to decide kung ano yung flaw ko, and that is not a flaw, that is normal. Okay, because of my genes and the hormonal imbalance, you know, and everything. So I want you guys to do the same. Just because other people will let you down, other people will say bad things about you, lalaitin ka nila and all, you are still in control of yourself and you're still in control of your mind. Don't let them get into you, okay? So we also have the Kojiesan face cream na gagamitin nyo at night because this has ingredients to nourish, to freshen, to moisturize, to nourish. Nasabi ko na ba yung nourish? Your skin throughout the night. So, mas maganda to kung mabababad to sa skin nyo. So, use this before you sleep. And all of the products pala ng Kojiesan has ZPL technology and Hydromoist. ZPL stands for Zero Pigment Light Technology that focuses on your dark spots, your marks sa face mo. And Hydromoist is Hydro Moist to hydrate and to moisturize the skin. This is good for your skin, okay? So, last question for today is, how do you define beauty? So, magkikilay muna ako, no? So, after years of doing vlogging, mananalamin lang ako dito sa gilid, pero nakikita nyo pa rin naman ako, I can see. So, after years of vlogging, I can say that beauty cannot be seen physically. Like, nasa loob siya. Like, it's in the inner most of yourself. Hindi ko na lang pinagsasabi ko. Pero, beauty lies within. Super cliche, but it is true. Kung ano man yung nakikita nyo physically, it's just pretty, okay? Maganda ka, pretty. But beautiful is so much beautiful. Beauty is not about pleasing others sa kung anong standard nila ng beauty. Beauty is not about pleasing other people. You decide on what you want to change about yourself. You don't have to change yourself for other people just for them to say that you are beautiful, okay? Know in yourself that you are beautiful. You are enough, okay? And I'm not here to tell you to don't listen to them because you should. You should know how other people perceive you. But then again, I'm telling you, you're the one in charge and you have to take control of what you take as criticism, or you can consider it as a comment lang na ibang tao. You know, gusto lang nilang i-comment, edi go, i-comment nyo. You don't have to feel sad about it just because other people noticed it and other people said that it's bad sa'yo. And if ever you want to change something about yourself, make sure that you're changing it for yourself, not for other people. Because changing for other people will not make you happy. And it won't make them happy either. Kasi most of the time, na-comment lang nila yun kasi napansin lang nila or wala lang, trip lang nila. And kahit magbago ka, they won't appreciate it. Because at the end of the day, wala silang paki sa'yo talaga. Kinoment lang nila yun, okay, that's all, thank you. So you only have yourself. You have to trust, you have to believe in yourself. Okay, if you want to change something, change it for yourself. So you'll be happy. So in conclusion, you are in control of yourself. You're in control of what you want to do, of what makes you happy, of what makes you beautiful. You're in control of your life. People may sing it sa buhay mo and say things about you, but that's all they are. Seeing it in your life. I guess that's all for our video. Masyado na ako nagiging personal. Naiinis na ako kasi naaalala ko yung mga times na sobrang down ako, na sobrang sad ako. And please know that you are perfectly imperfect. Walang perfect na tao, but in your own way, you are perfect. You may change some things about yourself, but in the end, you're perfect. And those people that can see your perfection or can appreciate your perfection, those are the people that deserve you. Okay. Ang layo ng salamin ko. Hindi ko ma-perfect yung lipstick. Pero that is it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our Girl Talk episode today. And again, I want you guys to answer the questions. I-alter nyo na lang sa kung ano talagang ginagawa nyo sa sarili nyo. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!